Top 10 snorkeling tips for beginners. Number 1. Choose a mask based on comfort, not style. You want to make sure you are comfortable diving to avoid any unnecessary pain or pressure on your face from a tight-fitting mask. If it's too loose, this can cause water to leak in. Number 2. Use an ultra-dry snorkel to prevent water entering from the top of the snorkel tube. In choppy water, you want to avoid having to constantly clear out water from the snorkel because of rowdy waves. Number 3. Use a mouthpiece size that fits accordingly. Having to bite down on a large mouthpiece can become tiresome, and if it is too small, you won't get enough air. Number 4. Use anti-fog to avoid foggy lenses. You can use a commercial solution 5 minutes before you dive in, or saliva works too, but may gross some people out. Number 5. Use fins to help swim through water easier. You push more surface area of water with fins, making you go farther with the same leg stroke than without them. Number 6. Don't use contacts in the water, get a prescription mask. Wearing contacts could come off while in the water, and you don't want an emergency while you can't see. You can buy a mask from a reputable website like getwetstore.com or prescriptionmaskusa.com. Both offer beginner masks with prescription lenses in both far-sighted and nearsighted correction for around $80 a mask that ship out in a day. Number 7. Use a backpack or mesh bag to travel easier. Carrying around 2 separate fins, plus a mask, plus a snorkel, all separately is a hassle. You can avoid that by using a bag to keep everything organized for the plane trip to the beach. Number 8. Dive with a friend or group. In nature, weather is constantly changing or animals might cause an emergency, so it's best to have a friend for support in case things go wrong where you need help. Number 9. Snorkel to look, not to touch. It's important not to touch a cone snail by accident, which can be fatal, or try and make friends with a shark or eel just for an Instagram picture. They are still wild animals and can attack you, which can ruin an entire diving trip. Number 10. Conserve energy by floating with a vest. Swimming is a workout, and if you wear a vest, you can stay afloat a lot easier for longer periods rather than kicking your feet to stay above water. You want to relax during your trip and not go back home sore. Hope these tips helped you, and feel free to share your most important tips with others down in the comments below.